Today, September 26th, we're expecting the Federal Reserve around 2 o'clock Eastern Time to raise rates 25 basis points. So once again, we think that's already been discounted in to the strength of the dollar this morning, which has driven gold and silver down a little bit. But platinum, that I gave the buy signal on this show 3 weeks ago, audio, you can go back and hear it. We've seen come from 756 all the way up to 825. I gave a sell signal, a buy signal yesterday for platinum to all of my mailing list. I have out there every one of them. So y'all had the news 2 weeks ahead of everybody else. So hopefully some of you have taken advantage of it. Quite a few of you have, and I think you're positioned for a very good return over the next 3 to 5 years in platinum for all the reasons that I talked about. If you hadn't heard this show, you can go back to FTM Daily, and like I said, it is audio interview that Jerry Robinson did with me. It's not a video like this, but it just looks like with the platinum being at 33% discount to gold, when we look at the last 25 years, the average price of platinum has been double the price of gold, and now it's only 66% the price of gold. So, and you look at something that's only mined 7% as much as gold is annually, comes out of the ground, like 175 tons of platinum compared to 3,000 tons of gold. So it's very important to look at this rare metal and realize now we've got all these smart glass things with the screens for ultra high definition television and cell phone screens, and then the use of strengthening windows. And we look at all these cell fuel applications in the industrial world coming, and the movement to electric cars, which will be huge for platinum over the next 10 or 12 years. And there's expected to be 6 to 10 million electric cars built in China alone. So it's a very low risk. If you didn't read our buy signal that I put out yesterday, or you're watching this, just call us at 800-247-2812, and we'll send you the reasons we think you need to be in platinum immediately. And the entry point is only 1 ounce, so you're talking about just under $900 to get in, and we pay the shipping and insurance. And you can buy a coin or bars. But we also are really watching silver close. Been the most disappointing metal of the year, as most of the listeners know. It's down like 12% for the year, and it's just been wandering around till last Friday when we finally got a decrease in the future contracts on the COT, the Commitment of Trader report, and then we see an increase in the long side thinking silver. So it was like a 15-month low for shorts positions and about a 12 or 13-month high for long positions. So we think silver's getting ready to do something good. I've thought that before, and I've been wrong. I'll be the first to admit it. But I'm not in this for 3 to 6 months. Being wrong and having the outcome delayed doesn't bother someone like me that's been doing this for 42 years, because I know in my spirit and in my heart and in my mind and in my fundamental mind and in my technical mind that silver is going to skyrocket. So to still have the opportunity to get in, yes, it's moved from 1390 up to 1445, and it's going to keep moving up, in my opinion. But it certainly is something you need to look at and up in your percentage if you hadn't already. But we continue to see another reason we think palladium's, the mines are starting to close for the winter in Siberia, where most of the palladium in the world comes from. So that's always, you'll see a drift up in palladium, but we think a faster drift up because with platinum, $175 an ounce, $200 an ounce cheaper than palladium, we're going to see auto company change their manufacturing capabilities to use the platinum in the auto catalyst converter, which is still the biggest use in the world. So we see palladium and platinum go back and forth for those reasons. So we're going to continue to watch and keep you posted what's going on. But if you need to talk to us, you can reach and talk to Dan or Kathleen or myself at 800-247-2812. That's 800-247-2812. We also can help you set up a self-directed precious metals IRA by rolling over an IRA where you have it now, or if you're able to get access to some of your 401k and roll it over. But we can function as your broker and as your representative, and we'll help you get a custodian. We cannot be your custodian. But it's a great time to look at that. If any of you are still hanging around holding rare coins, I think it's getting near the witching hour to be switched over to bullion and have coins, whether it's gold, silver, or platinum, that are going up or down based on the spot price of the metal, not based on the rarity factor, because we know that the collector markets have really done poorly when you're collecting rare coins or stamps or things like this. They've done very poorly the last few years. So hopefully we'll continue to keep you posted. And once again, if you're not getting our red alerts to buy and sell and on our mailing list, you can also call the 800 number, or you can just go to ftmdaily /gold and go to Tom Cloud and you can sign up there. And we don't share your email with anyone. We keep it completely confidential. With this week's Precious Metals Market Update, this is Tom Cloud signing out.